In this video, we're gonna be talking about legendary marketer and why you should join, and also we're gonna be talking about why you shouldn't join. All right, and it's gonna be full video, and we're gonna be explaining everything that you need to know about this program, and also we're gonna be showing you everything you need to know. So if you guys are new to my channel, we are here in this channel showing you guys everything you need to know about how to make money online, and also how to earn passive income online even while you're sleeping. So make sure, if you guys like that kind of stuff, to like and follow, basically subscribe to this channel, so that you guys understand everything from this channel. We are here to help you. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, if you guys are looking to get my full recommendation on how to make full-time income online, go ahead and go down, click that link in my description. All right, without further ado, we're gonna go back into my back office, and I'm gonna show you the legendary marketer. All right, so this is the website. All right, legendary marketer has been around for many years now, and it's by this guy called Dave Sharpey, and he is the guy behind $250 million. All right, this guy made so much money from online, from selling information products basically, but he's not that kind of scammers that you guys think of, because I've actually learned so much from him. All right, he have helped me basically be financially independent. All right, so that's why always, every single day, at the end of the video, I go ahead and talk about his program, because it's basically the best. All right, so here's what you're going to be doing. This is actually the homepage of the product, so you can learn about the founder from here, and you can learn about he has been for 9 years a digital marketer, and he has multi-million-dollar company. All right, and he already have over 500,000 entrepreneurs. So this is him. All right, you can learn more about him, and you can also see that this guy from the Shark Tank, he has actually said good things about him. So this is also another fact that you should listen to this guy, what he's saying. All right, so once you basically click that link in my bio, this is gonna be the page, or the preach page you're gonna see. All you have to do is enter your email, and then it will take you to this page. You have to read this if you want, and then you're gonna literally go down, and then you're gonna click this one so that you can watch Dave Sharpey video. This is basically all you have to do. You are gonna be clicking in here, then you're gonna ask you to enter your email again, and then you're gonna click get instant access, and then you have to watch this video. This is basically everything you need to know. This is very important video to watch. All right, you're gonna need to watch this video. It's basically a 10-minute video, but it's gonna be game changer. And basically, it's the goal for this is basically because it's a 15 days business blueprint challenge. This 15 days business blueprint challenge will help you out how to kick off your business career and start a successful business online. And basically, you're gonna learn so much value from this. So I know many people who actually signed up, and let me just show you the testimonials. It's in my the people are making thousands of dollars, and I'm gonna put a screen in here so that you can see that I've already made $1,000 from this, like basically daily, and been making money from this. So because it's a high ticket offer, you're gonna be promoting, and you're gonna be earning $1,000 minimum. It could be $1,008, $1,010 from this basically, and you are gonna literally, it will change your mind. Now, how would you like to make $1,000 a day with this? It's very possible. All right, and the amount of money you're going to be spending to learn the skills, because you need to have these skills in order to make money online, and be like learning how to do traffic, learning how to storytell, because you're going to learn all of these in the 15 days business blueprint challenge. You're going to learn how to tell a story. You're going to learn how you can basically sell stuff online, sell digital products. You don't even have to be an owner of the product. All right, this is, you are going to be an affiliate of a product, and you're going to sell their product, and then you are going to be literally making money while you're at home. And even if you have a job, side job, or maybe your actual business job, or you are working in the corporate job, this is going to be your side income. All right, if you give 30 minutes a day by just learning and consuming the content of Dave Sharpey, you can learn so many things. I basically have learned how to do email marketing. I've learned how to storytell. I've learned how to sell stuff. I learned about scarcity. I learned so many things. I've learned about marketing, and you are going to be one of them if you just give it time. And by the way, the fact that this is $15, it's a Starbucks coffee basically, and it's not gonna hurt you anything. Alright, now that's why I always say in my videos, if you are not here to take action, I don't suggest you to watch my videos, because everything that I explain in my videos is all about action. If you are here to take an action, then you're good. You are gonna be successful someday. If it's not gonna be like a get rich quick scheme. This is not anything that I talk in this video. It's not get rich quick scheme. It's just you have to put in work, and then that work will literally reward you, and you're gonna get in emails like this. You just earn a commission. And it's gonna keep rolling in every single day, and you are gonna be the boss of your own life. All right, now this is how it's possible, and by the fact that people are making 50,000 from these, and it's very interesting. So this could be you, and all you have to do is just spend $15 to enroll in this training that is for 15 days. So, and that's basically all about it, and you are going to be one of these people. And if you read my story, this is actually my story. If you read it, when you go to my funnel, which is down there, you're going to learn so many things also about my story. I was working in a corporate job, and I hated it. I worked for 12 hours and so many things. So this is also and been working for 9 months, all right, for 18 hours basically, that I also hated my job. I hated my boss, everything, until once I discovered Legendary Marketer, everything changed. And you are going to be the next if you just put in action. I'm doing everything. I learned also about TikTok. I've been doing TikTok as well. I have around 30,000 followers in my TikTok right now. So if you are here and consuming content, then you are not going to be making money, because you're watching, you're not doing action. There's two things: you consume and then you take action. But if you just consume, keep consuming, then you can end up with just being a watcher. You're not gonna be elite. You're not gonna be in the elite, because I watch so many YouTube videos. All right, I watch every single day. Minimum, I watch 2 hours of YouTube videos. I'm not saying that I don't watch, but when you watch something, you learn something about this. You learn about a new skill. Then you just take action and then apply that. That's game changer, right? Because you are actually doing something, and everything you're learning from here, from Legendary Marketer, actually it's something that need action. If you're not, that's why like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna also say why you shouldn't join Legendary Marketer. These are the reason. If you want to join, you need to be action taker and you need to be implementer. But if you are not, then you shouldn't join. You shouldn't join if you are someone who actually just gonna spend money and then you consume the content and then do nothing. All right, you're also going to be needing to spend some money to run traffic. That's another thing. If you are not willing to spend money, all right, to basically learn the skill, and then also spend money on traffic, and also spending money on traffic, it's not necessary, all right, but you are going to be spending on softwares, and then all of these softwares is going to be for 14 days trial basically, and then you should be getting some traction from these 14 days. So it's kind of free, all right. But if you are looking to change something in your life, this is going to be your actually chance, because I've also learned this from my grandmother. She said that there's two types of people. If you are the person who are actually going to be willing to do the work, all right, because there's nothing called free money. She actually told me that there's nothing called free money. Your family, they are supporting you when you are a child, when you are in the school, when you are actually also in university. But then once you are out of the university, no one is going to support you. It's going to be on your and you are going to be responsible for your life. So this is also another thing that I learned. Being responsible is also another thing, but this is it doesn't connect with what I'm explaining about. It's just I wanted to also say that. All right, so that's it for this video. Make sure, if you guys are looking to be your own boss, there's no any money guarantee. I'm not guaranteeing anything. That's why also I'm not showing you any money that I'm earning from this program, except for one screenshot that I'm going to show you here. because I'm not here to brag about anything. I'm only here to show you what is possible. And also for the followers that have been watching me for many months now, and this is your opportunity. And if you are also watching me from YouTube homepage or anywhere, make sure to like so that it gets recommended. Also subscribe if you are new to my channel so that it gets recommended to many people, and so that this channel grows and I try my best to help other people. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.